How has AI driven strategies transformed maybe traditional approaches when we talk about getting those customers to come in, those inbound leads?
So there's a well so that's the thing. Like as I said with healthline.com, this is a good example. So if you create super high quality blog articles, and we're like almost at the stage, but I'd probably always improve quality. I'll always find something, but you can get hundreds of millions of monthly website visitors, right? And so AI, when you look at websites, I mean, if you just let's assume you're just local business, right? And you want to rank in your city. So let's say you have an Asian kitchen or something like that, and if no other company in your city has a blog article for every dish on their menu, and a blog article, like lots of blog articles talking about health benefits of Asian kitchen and so on, you'll be ranking number one, because the others just don't have the content. They don't have anything on their website that makes Google, if somebody searches for something, right, and they don't have the content, people just can't go on their websites. But if they do, right, it's an easy deal. Yeah.
Yeah, not just that. I mean, the fact that you're getting and building a ongoing traffic to go to your website, that's huge, especially for if you're running things like paid ads. Pixeling your website will allow you to take and retarget the people who are already interested in some of the organic content and push them towards any marketing funnel or any product or service that you're offering. Like you said, if you have that restaurant, you can always point them, here's a coupon to try your next meal, retarget the people who found that particular dish interesting. So I like that. The opportunities are definitely there.